What you should know about stock market trading. Making an investment in the stock market is something many people will do at some time in their lifetime. There are steps you can take to learn more about your choices, minimize your risk, create a diversified portfolio, and generally, invest with more confidence. Here are some tips that will help you to intelligently navigate the world of the stock market. Be prepared to keep the stocks long term. If you only intend to hold on to the stocks for a short amount of time, be prepared for a lot of volatility. The market is extremely difficult to predict in the short term, and you may end up selling the stocks at the wrong time. Holding on to them for the long term is the best way to ensure a profit. Prior to signing with a broker or using a trader, see what fees you'll be liable for. And not only the entry fees, what ones will be deducted at the time of exiting, as well. These can often add up quickly, so don't be surprised. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. Diversification is the main key to investing wisely in the stock market. Having many different types of investment can help you to reduce your risk of failure for having just one type of investment. Having just that one type could have a catastrophic effect on the value of your entire portfolio. These suggestions should help you to become a more savvy investor. While there's no guarantee you'll become the next stock market mogul, a better understanding of investment basics will go a long way in making smart money decisions. Here's hoping all your future investment choices will result in a healthy return. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.